No. Slowly only I'll do. You'll not feel the pain. You felt the pain? Not much, right?
A little bit, but I think it's
It's bearable.
slowly, doctor, please.
Yeah, don't worry, I will be gentle. But it's like kind of stuck there, there's both the tapes, so unless we just pull on it a little bit. You're leaving also today?
Yeah.
When?
After half an hour or 1 hour.
1 hour you leave?
Yeah.
Because we'll take some time to remove your sutures and everything.
Slowly, doctor,
Slowly. So, for you I have done most of it the way you wanted it. Right? See now how it looks. 1 second. Let me clean as much as I can.
please. Yeah.
So that when you see,
Gently, doctor.
yeah, you don't see any blood, or you see very minimal blood. So again, because we've done bone grafting, we've done grafting on the dorsum, so you got to be careful for a minimal. Stitch is hurting a little bit.
It will bleed, I think.
No, it's not going to bleed. Don't worry. Yeah, because this is like rubbing against it, so you feel that sensation. All right, take a look. What do you think? There is extra swelling there. It will come down a little bit, but you can see the nose difference. You wanted a lot of augmentation on the radix, and you have it. We're going to show you the side views and all, down view. There is a little asymmetry which I've corrected. Then this is the important thing. Now see, turn that side. Look at your before picture also, because very often people forget. I'm going to straighten out straight away. Can you see? So you see how the nose was starting here, now it's starting there, like how you wanted. See the tip, it was going up, now it's coming down. Can you see the angle? Okay, and as you want, as you had desired, it's a closed one also. Okay, then we'll move on. This is semi-angle, you can see that. And this is this side, to look towards me. Yes, you can see this view now. That's on this side. And you just get that again. Okay, so you have any doubts or any issues?
There is I think this is bit towards right. I think.
Look up.
There is slight asymmetry, I think.
No, I think it's fine. See, initially this area, the bone, it will be a little bit moldable. Can you see? Just see, you can see. See that? See, can you see me molding it? That's it, if you think. Very minimal.
And doctor, even if you can see, there is a slight bulge over here.
To me? Well, normal. This is there on both the sides. And you know, there's some swelling also there now. And the swelling is a little bit more on the top of your nose, okay? It's a little bit more on the top of your nose, like this part, because we have not put the splint there. So the squeezed part will, you know, have more edema there. That will come down. So we have to soak this up and take the sutures off. Good now?
Not today, no?
Now, he's going to leave now.
Rib also.
Rib is what? 9:30. You can remove the rib also.
I'll see.
That's why I'm trying to put interrupted so you can take off every other one now.
Doctor, I think there is a, see, when you look in mirror, see this side is symmetry completely. This.
You can remove it on your own. Alright? See you.